Everyone wants to create a wealth. Everyone wants to become rich. Everyone wants to lead a happy life. Everyone wants to travel abroad. Everyone wants to lead a comfortable financial life. Then, how to become rich? How to create wealth? If you look at the history, some people they became rich by business. If you look at the Bill Gates, he's rich by his business. If you look at the Adani Ambani, they are rich by business. If you look at the Sachin Tendulkar, he's rich by his batting skills. If you look at the Warren Buffett, he's rich by his investment. If you look at the Rajmouli, he's rich by his imaginary power. But everyone cannot bat like a Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone cannot become a Bill Gates. Then how normal people can become rich? The investment can make you rich in a long term. Mutual fund investment is the one of the best way to create wealth in a long term. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. You'll be getting a lot more update with regards to investments. Friends, now I'm going to show you some oldest mutual fund scheme in India and how they have created wealth for their investors. Let's start. The first one is Tata Large Cap Mutual Fund, which is established in 1998. So it's basically a large cap mutual fund. It will predominantly invest into a large cap category stocks. Since inception, it has generated a 18% compounded annual growth. If you have done 10,000 SIP in this scheme for just 20 years, now your investment value is 24 lakh, but market value is 1 crore 92 lakh, almost all 2 crore rupees. The second one is HDFC Flexi Cap Fund, which is established in 1995. Since inception, the fund has delivered 19% compounded annual growth. If you have done 10,000 SIP in this scheme for just 20 years, the now investment value is 24 lakh, market value is 2 crore 18 lakh. The third one is the Franklin India Prima Fund, which is established in 1993. Since inception, the fund has delivered 20% compounded annual growth. If you have done 10,000 on SIP in this scheme for just 20 years, the investment value is 24 lakh, market value is 2 crore 50 lakh. The next one is Nippon India Growth Fund, which is one of the oldest mutual fund scheme in India, which is established in 1995. It's a mid-cap category mutual fund. Since inception, the fund has delivered 22% compounded annual growth. If you have done 10,000 SIP in this scheme, your investment value is 24 lakh, market value is 3 crore 18 lakh. The next one is HDFC Top 100 Fund, which is established in 1996. Since inception, the fund has delivered 18% compounded annual growth. If you have done 10,000 SIP in this scheme for 20 years, the market value, investment value is 24 lakh, market value is 1 crore 90 lakh. Friends, this is how SIP will create your wealth in a long term. The SIP journey, it will not be a smooth journey. It will have a lot of ups and downs. There may be a corrections, there may be a volatility, there may be a recession period, there may be a pandemic time. But in spite of that, you should remain invested for a longer term. Then only you can create wealth in SIP journey. Many retail investors, they will exit from the market during the correction time. They will get panic and they will exit from the market. Friends, that is the time to invest for a long term. That is the right time. The correction time, the falling market is the good time for SIP investors. It will help you to accumulate more units. It will help you to average your investment journey. Friends, now I am going to show you how averaging will work, how you will get more units during the correction time. Just assume that you are investing 2,000 rupees per month and you are investing for a 1 year, you are investing for a 12 months. So just assume that in the first month NAV is 10 rupees, you are getting 200 units. Next month NAV came to 5 rupees, you are getting 400 units. Again next month NAV came to 4 rupees, you are getting 500 units. Next month NAV is 500 rupees, you are getting 400 units. The next month NAV is 8 rupees, you are getting 250 units. Next month NAV is 6 rupees, you are getting 333 units. Next month NAV is 9 rupees, you are getting 222 units. Next month NAV is 11 rupees, you are getting 182 units. Next month NAV is 12 rupees, you are getting 162 units. Next month NAV is 10 rupees, you are getting 200 units. Next month NAV is 13 rupees, you are getting 154 units. Last month on a 12th month NAV is 14 rupees, you are getting 143 units. Total you are getting in the entire year, you are getting 3151 units. The average your NAV is now 9 rupees. Your total investment value now 24,000, but market value is 33,600. This is how averaging will help you to get more units. Now I am going to show you how your investment can work for you 24/7. Just assume that you are a working profession and you have started your work at 25 and you are going to work for till 60 and your average salary is 1 lakh rupees. The total you are going to work for 35 years. 1 lakh rupees into 35 years, you are going to earn salary of 4 crore 20 lakh rupees. But if you invest 10% of your monthly salary into SIP for 35 years, and if you get a 15% return, and your investment value will become 42 lakh, market value will become 11 crore 41 lakh rupees. That's the power of long-term investment. From your salary for 35 years, you're going to earn just 4 crore 20 lakh rupees. But with a 10% of your investment, you're going to get 11 crore rupees. See the magic. See how investment can create you wealth in long term. Friends, if you summarize the points, how oldest mutual fund schemes, they have created wealth for their investors, how averaging will help you to get more units during the correction time, how investment can work for you 24/7. Friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please do share it with your community. You can follow me on a Facebook. The link is below. And if you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. And I'll see you in a next video. Thank you.